A civil authority has issued child abduction emergency for the following counties or areas. Oregon, at 10:35 p.m. on May 18, 2023, effective until 11:35 p.m. The Nampa Police Department has requested activation of the emergency alert system for an Amber Alert for Rudy Reyes. The victim was taken from Nampa, Idaho at 0518-2023, 10:54 am. The suspect was driving a 2008 gray Lexus S200T, license plate 2CTJ90, Idaho, last seen heading towards Pendleton, Oregon. The suspect has been identified as Rodolfo Reyes. Suspect is described as 5 feet 9 inches with average build, brown hair, wearing white tank top and blue jeans. The victim is 2 years old and last seen wearing gray and white t-shirt with hooded sweatshirt, diaper. If you have any information about this incident, please contact the Oregon Amber Alert tip line at 1-866-5-AMBER 51866-526-2375 or call 911. This has been an activation of the Oregon Emergency Alert System.